Hi guys, for today's video, we're gonna be questioning about the latest trend on TikTok. So today, I'm here with Mama and Kuya. So I'll be magtatanong ako sa inyo about the latest trend on TikTok. Ready na ba kayo?
Pwede na.
So let's start. So a dog has 3 puppies, which is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. What is the mother's name?
Sunday.
Again. The dog has 3 puppies, which is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. What is the mother's name?
Monday.
No, incorrect. Right. Kung hinahinayon, Jude. Okay. The dog has 3 puppies. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. What is the mother's name?
Monday.
Mothers.
What
Sunday.
is the mother's name?
What is the mother?
What is the mother's name?
What is?
What?
What is the mother's name?
Hindi mo gagagets? What is the mother's name?
What is?
Diretso na.
Gani,
Basta.
what is the mother's name?
Ang ngalan lagay na mo.
What is the mother's name?
Ha?
What is the mother's name?
Gani, unsay ngalan sa inahan sa mga puppies? Mao gani, what is the mother's name of the 3 puppies? Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday.
Sunday.
What gani? What is the mother's name? What gani?
Balog.
Oh, hinahinaya. Ang hinayon. What? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. What is the mother's name? What ba what? Ang what
Unsa?
mo na ngalan sa inahan sa puppies.
What is the mother's name? What? Detod.
What gani? And that's all for today's video. Nagka-argue may dako ni Papa kay tungod sa akong mga questions. So, hope you like this video. God bless you all. Love you all. Bye-bye.